Pinto family.
My name is Tatiana.
My name is Anderson.
We have 4 kids. We live in South Florida. We love to be outside, spend time outside.
It's a very big property. Because my kids playing soccer, we decided to purchase a home that had enough land that I could build a soccer field, a small soccer field, so they could play. But it comes with a lot of challenges. It's very hard to try to maintain because it's such a big piece of property. I went over to a friend's house, and we're talking, and suddenly I look outside and I see this robotic lawnmower running. And I'm like, is that thing cutting your grass? And he goes, yeah. I'm like, are you kidding me? So I thought that was very, very interesting.
The robotic lawnmower piqued Anderson's interest so much that he reached out to Adam Rechtenwald from Gardena, and now Adam is on his way to help get them set up with their brand new Sileno Flex Robotic Mower.
So here we have the new Sileno Flex lawnmower. And let me ask you, how many times are you cutting the grass in a week right now?
Usually it's every 2 weeks, but in the summertime, because of all the rain, the grass grows faster. Then we have to go back to about every week. So that's an average, depending throughout the year.
Well, the interesting thing about robotic mowers is they cut a little bit differently than you might be used to. So rather than cutting once a week or every 2 weeks, the robotic mower actually cuts the lawn every day. So you always have a very well cut, very manicured lawn because of the fact that it's doing these daily cuts. Wow. And I think especially here on the soccer field where the kids are playing, that's gonna be great. You're never gonna have these days where the grass is a little long. And this particular mower was actually designed specifically for all types of grass here in North America. And what that means is there's a very versatile cutting height. So if you'd like to keep the soccer field kept a little bit shorter in terms of the grass, you can lower those blades further down. Or if you want the grass to be a little bit longer, maybe it's real sunny or dry outside and you want to keep the grass long to protect it from the sun, you can raise that up very easily just with a turn of a knob here on the top of the mower.
Oh, wow. So that knob I turn, I can regulate the height.
Yes, so very straightforward controls. And what we've done is we've actually already established the mower boundary by putting a wire around the cutting area, and that's gonna operate very similarly to an electric dog fence. It tells the mower where it should be cutting and where it shouldn't be cutting, just to make sure that it doesn't go somewhere it's not supposed to.
So what happens when I have, let's say, a sprinkler head?
In the case of a sprinkler head or any other fixed obstacles that you might have in your yard, we actually did run, in a place right over here, what we call an island around that sprinkler head. And just like the edges of the boundary, that island lets the mower know not to collide with the sprinkler head.
This thing is beautiful.
Oh, thank you very much.
Whoever designed it, congrats.
It's compared to our previous models, it's got a bigger motor, bigger wheels. It's gonna take care of this yard for you very well.
Perfect.
There's also a second wire called the guide wire that cuts up through the middle of the mowing area. And when the mower is running low on battery, as soon as it crosses that guide wire, it follows the guide wire all the way back to the charging station. So you're never gonna need to worry about going out, picking up your mower, plugging in your mower. All that happens automatically. And if you'd like, we can head over to the charging base, get the mower paired up with the app, and start programming your mowing schedule.
Sounds great. Let's
go.
do it.
So we've installed the base here in the corner of the lawn. And if you want to get out your phone, we can go ahead and get the scheduling system set up. Excellent. So we've already paired the mower with the Bluetooth app. And now what we can do is we can walk through the scheduling system just so that you can make sure you know what time of day the mower is going to cut the grass. So right now it is mowing 6 days per week, and it is mowing approximately just under 8 hours per day. So it's going to go out, it's going to cut, it's going to come back, it's going to recharge, and it's going to do that multiple times throughout the day. And in any given 24-hour period, the mower should cut just about every bit of grass.
Great. There he goes.
There you go.
How about we go inside, have a drink, and watch it do all the work for me?
Sounds great. Let's go.
Let's go. Well, Adam, cheers to Gardena for making my life much easier.
Well, thank you very much for the opportunity to come out and install a mower. It's nice to be able to sit back and relax while the grass gets cut.
I love it.
Are you looking to beautify your lawn effortlessly and spend more time enjoying it? Visit us.gardena.com and learn more about their state-of-the-art Gardena Sileno Flex Robotic Mower.